On today's sticker shop, we have the first snowfall of the year. Some beautiful footage of the river and slow motion snowflakes falling from the sky. Just kidding. We have the first ride on the new trails in the snow after they were nice and frozen, freshly made. Here's a quick map of the trails and what we're going to be riding on today. Started out, nice, beautiful, peaceful day, fresh snow. Wildcat sitting in the garage. So I did what any other person would do that had a fresh UTV and snow. I took it out for a spin on the new trail. And here we go. Up into the woods, slow start. It was around 20 degrees out today. Well, this day that the video was filmed. Just warming up the Wildcat by taking a slow couple of corners here. This is the first time I've driven on these trails after redoing some of them and allowing them to freeze, so I'm taking it very cautiously. And here we go, across a railroad tie ridge. There's some lovely grapevines that grow over here in the summer. So we go over the stone bridge by Old Truck Dip. Now, a lot of this trail is pretty tight, but we're going to open it up in places as we go. And now we're heading down what I like to call Route S495, a 600-foot long straightaway with 2 bumps in the middle. And now we take a left down a slight decline into the pine grove, where it starts off with some off-camber twisting and turning throughout the pines, and slowly straightens out. We'll keep it tight and tidy at first, and then we're going to widen it up. And right here we are going to have the trail go to the right and try and make another connection without doubling over like we are right here. I've always wanted to have a place like this of my own that I could do this, and it's been a blast making it so far. And I just look forward to adding more and more to it. Mountain bike trails, every type of trails. Here we go, we're flying along. Little stone bridge on the left that I made for my mom. And into Dead Tree Turn. Through Campers Corner, up Mama's Mound, and across the finish line. That is a lap of my new trail/track system. Thanks for watching. See you next time.